Peggy 18.
Whoever said diamonds are a girl's best friend obviously never met my totally awesome sisters. I mean, do you know any diamonds who are smoking hot sharpshooter zombie hunters like my big sister Cordelia?
Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass!
What? That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
The whole no-body thing is cool.
Thanks. And then there's my baby sister, Rosalind. She's like way more entertaining than any diamond ring. Plus, she totally kicks zombie dick.
Hey, Juliet, I came to save you! Something's wrong with this bus!
My sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly.
Yeah, suck on this, zombie! Wait, it's your boyfriend! He's a decapitated head? Fuck me! That's the coolest thing ever!